Dear God, help me spend today with a smile on my face, love in my heart, joy in His grace, and my thinking cap on all day. Amen. Good morning, dear students. I welcome to all in this online math class. I wish you all are fine at home. So let's start. Today I shall teach you addition of 5 and 6 digit numbers. First of all, look at this meaning of addition. Addition is the process of putting items together and counting the total number in the set. Now look at this picture, students. Addition. Addition is also called as sum, add, together, plus, more, or increase. Students, before starting the addition, let us understand these rules which we have to follow. Very first step is we have to arrange all the numbers in correct columns according to the place value, like ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, and 10 lakhs, whatever. Second one is to start addition from ones place digits. Okay? Always when we add any number, 4 digit number, 5 digit number, 6 digit number, 3 digit number, any number, we have to start our addition from the lowest place value. Now look at the third one. Then add tens place digits. Okay. Then we add next higher place value, that is 100 place value, then 1000 place value, then 10,000 place value, so on. Then last sixth one is, that means we first add the digits from smallest place value, that is ones, and then add one by one higher place values. I hope you all understood these rules. Now look at the addition without regrouping. Okay students, first we will do addition without regrouping. First we will do addition with an example. Okay, let's start with an example. The first example is of addition of 6 digit numbers. So there are numbers, we arrange these numbers in proper places according to the place value. Okay students, now start addition from ones place. Look at the ones place. 4 plus 2 gives us 6. Then look at the tens place. 6 plus 3 gives us 9. Then 100 place. 5 plus 4 gives us 9. Then look at the thousands place. 7 plus 1 gives us 8. Then 10,000 place. 6 plus 2 gives us 8. Then look at the lakhs place. 6 plus 2 gives us 8. So the sum is 8,88,996 of these two addends. Okay students, these are the two addends given to us. These numbers are called addends. Okay, now you can see here we didn't get any carryover. Okay, when we add any two numbers and we don't get any carryover, such kind of mathematical sum is known as addition without regrouping. Okay students, addition without regrouping. So next one, addition with regrouping. Okay students, now we will do addition with regrouping. Now look at the picture of chilies. There are 26,428 green chilies and 11,327 red chilies. How many chilies are there in all? Let's solve. First we group them into 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones, and then add them. Now there are 2 tens, 2 10,000s, 6,000s, 400s, 2 tens and 8 ones in first number. Now look at the second number. There are 1 10,000, 1,000, 300s, 2 tens and 7 ones. Then we write these numbers in the place value chart in ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000 columns. First we add the number in the ones column. Okay. Now look at the ones column. When we add 8 and 7, then we get the number 15. Okay students. Now regroup the number 15. How to regroup? Look at this. 5 we write in ones column and 1 gets carried over 2 in tens column. Okay. Now look at the tens place. Tens column. In tens column there are 1, 2 and 2 digits. Okay. Now add them. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. Then we get 5 number. Now look at the hundreds column. 4 plus 3, 7. Then thousands column. 6 plus 1, 7. Then look at the tens thousands column. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay. So in last we get the answer. Answer that is also called sum, 37,755. Okay. Students, when we add them, then the sum is 37,755. So in last there are 37,755 chilies in all. I hope you understood this. So students, just take care of yourselves and remain at home. Okay. So bye bye and thank you so much.